Welcome to this guided meditation, a moment of peace and serenity to savor and delight in the flavors of autumn. Find yourself a cozy spot. Allow your eyes to close and your whole body to soften. As you settle into a state of relaxation, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with crisp, refreshing air of autumn, and exhale out through your mouth, allowing your body to relax even more. One more time, take a deep inhale, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly out through your mouth. Now imagine yourself in a warm, inviting kitchen. You look outside your window and see red, orange and golden autumn leaves falling very slowly to the ground. You see a vibrant pumpkin on the countertop, its cheerful orange hue bringing a splash of fun and warmth to your kitchen. You find yourself in the mood for a treat, something chocolatey because it's Halloween season, yet you also want a healthier dessert. You decide you'll make a treat that's both indulgent and nourishing. A gentle smile spreads across your face as you prepare to create something truly delightful. A pumpkin spice chocolate quinoa bark. The air will soon be filled with the rich aroma of pumpkin spice mingled with the luscious scent of melted chocolate. As you gather your ingredients, you start to feel the anticipation and excitement build. You reach for the pumpkin spice blend, and as you take a deep breath in, you can smell the fragrant blend of cinnamon, nutmeg and cloves. The soothing smell brings you a sense of warmth and contentment. You begin to mix smooth, melted, naturally sweetened dark chocolate. You feel a sense of joy as you add the pumpkin pie spice to the chocolate. The aroma is mouth-watering. Beside it, you see a bowl of toasted quinoa. This wholesome grain is the cornerstone of your nourishing treat and a great source of protein. As you mix the chocolate with the popped quinoa, you notice how it envelops each grain. The warmth of the spices, the richness of the chocolate, and the wholesome goodness of the quinoa come together to create something truly special. As you spread the mixture onto the tray, you feel a sense of accomplishment and joy. Now envision coming back later after the mixture has set and cutting a piece of the finished bark. It looks absolutely irresistible. You take a bite and the flavors burst in your mouth. The perfect balance of sweet and spice, warmth and comfort. You slowly savor each and every bite of this delightful treat. Let this feeling of warmth and satisfaction fill you, spreading from your heart to each and every part of your being. As you savor this moment, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with the autumn air once more. Exhale slowly, savoring the tranquility. continue breathing deeply, drawing in the essence of autumn and the comforting blend of pumpkin spice and chocolate. And whenever you feel ready, slowly bring yourself back to your surroundings. And when it feels right, open your eyes. Carry the warmth and comfort of this experience with you, knowing you can recreate it any time and nourish your soul with the simple joy of making and enjoying your pumpkin spice chocolate quinoa bar, whether that's through this meditation or physically making yourself this treat. Thank you for joining me. May this season bring you warmth, ease, and joy.